sitting here inside the Business Management Boot Camp here in Jacksonville, Florida. Got a rowdy group here today. They're all out there eating lunch while I'm doing this for you. So come see me when you can. What do we got today? We got any intelligent questions today?
We sure do. The first ones are going to be from Tony and Angie Stewart.
Tony and Angie, I'm sitting here looking at Tony and Angie
Yes.
in this event right here.
They start off their question by saying, "Thanks for the Business Management Boot Camp. It's great to be with you and learn from the best."
Thank you.
His question is, Ron, once you've uncovered a seller's real motivation and they're open to creative terms, but they're hesitant because of family pressure, a skeptical CPA, or a friend who's a realtor, how do you overcome third-party sabotage without damaging rapport or sounding defensive?
Well, sometimes you can't. In fact, we got one right now. The husband was all go, but the wife don't really want to do it. You just can't do anything about it except follow up, because there's a lot of those. In fact, a lot of those will turn into deals later when time and circumstances changes their mind. So that's why we have dreams. We set it up and it follows up for as long as you want it to follow up, and it pops up and tells you when it's time to talk to them again or send them a text or whatever you want to do. Got to use the system. That's what you're learning right now is all the systems.
Next up, we have Stephen Jefferson from New York. Hello, Ron. I own several properties in Pennsylvania. 3 are in my name, which I'm transferring into a land trust. I also have 4 that are in LLCs. My question is, should I put those in a land trust as well?
I would not, because you are probably creating a taxable event for yourself unknowingly. If they're in an LLC, just leave them there until you get ready to sell them.
Gotcha. That was his concern too, so that's perfect.
Yeah.
All right, next up we have Jeni from Maryland. I have very much enjoyed your presentation at the webinar yesterday with Nate. I have a question about a topic you touched on briefly and hope you may be able to give me a bit more detail about it. My mom is 85 and has limited income. I have been trying to figure out a way I can help her financially. I thought I heard somewhere that I could hire her through one of my LLCs, and it seems like a perfect solution if I could write her off.
Yeah, let me answer that.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got to be an employee now. Maybe not. No, I don't think consulting is an earned income. It's got to be earned income. So you pay her $1,000, take out taxes, and put the rest. I send her the rest, and then she uses that money to open an IRA. So you got to help her through this. You probably have a hard time even explaining to why you're doing it, but you're doing the right thing. Get it done. Then you got to get that IRA though, and you got to make some money for her by just using a small deposit to flip a property and get a big check. Tax free.
All right. Well, that is all the questions we have this week for you, Ron.
Okay. Well, let's get out of this noisy crowd and see you all next week.
All right. Thank you, Ron.